That's the bus stop. We're going home. We're actually in a taxi. Yay.
Randolph and Wabash. Transfer to Metra and South Shore trains.
Here's the green line. That one was the orange. And we're going back to our car, and then I'm going to the airport. Here's the map of the train system.
So it was perfect.
Yep.
It was?
There's the car, Walnut tree. Beautiful tree right there. So we're going back, and then a fast recap. We saw the museum, campus, and here's another train. The Grant Park and the beans, the Chicago bean. Oh look, that's pretty.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, very pretty. And what else? The Millennium Park,
Yes, and we went to the John Hancock Center
96th floor.
in Water Tower.
Yeah, and what is it?
Buckingham Fountain, Sculpture Park,
The State Street,
State Street, yes.
the Michigan Avenue,
Magnificent Mile.
Magnificent Mile, and we went to Spanish restaurant.
Called Cafe Iberico.
How you say that?
Cafe Iberico.
Cafe Iberico. And that's it. Right.
I think so. What was the name of that other airlines we went to? It was called Jet what?
Jet Express.
Jet Express, okay.
Alright, we had a good time. We're going back to the airport. Here I am at the airport. I am going back to Little Rock. I had a great trip. Hope you guys liked this video. It was definitely a lot of fun. I'm very tired, but I'm so excited to go home and see my husband and just to tell him all about this trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!